Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of July, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of June, 2025, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.06. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 16.59% since we first identified Taiwan Semiconductor as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.61% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 51.79% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 48.20% to 59.48%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 13.17%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between negative 27.07% and positive 16.65% over the next year. In practical terms, this means the future price could land somewhere between $168.03 and $268.77. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price increased by approximately 0.279% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, rising from $229.76 to $230.40. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.25%, reaching a low of $229.40 and a high of $232.27. The price has shown some volatility during this period, with a gain of 2.85% over the last 2 weeks. However, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 9 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.03 billion. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.56, while the lowest was $133.57. Currently, the price is 3.01%, or $7.16, below the 52-week high of $237.56, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. TSMC has reported an impressive 39% year-over-year sales surge for June, propelled by the ongoing AI-driven boom, and is set to deliver substantial second-quarter earnings. The company's robust performance is underscored by a remarkable $30.5 billion in revenue for the second quarter, despite currency fluctuations impacting margins. This positioning highlights TSMC's competitive edge in the semiconductor market and suggests that its stock might be undervalued at 21 times forward earnings, especially when compared to its peers. Furthermore, analyst expectations for upward revisions in estimates due to strong AI demand signal a positive outlook for TSMC's earnings trajectory. With the AI sector projected to continue driving growth, TSMC is well positioned to capitalize on this trend, especially given its anticipated doubling of revenue from AI-related chips by the year 2025. In the short term, these developments could spur investor confidence, driving the stock price higher as market sentiment shifts positively. In the long term, TSMC's continued leadership in a critical industry segment, alongside strategic international expansions to mitigate geopolitical risks, suggests potential for sustained stock appreciation. In summary, TSMC's fundamentals and competitive advantages in the AI-driven semiconductor market offer compelling reasons for investors to consider entering before further price increases. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May 2025, Citigroup designated TSM with a buy rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 25th of April 2025, Barclays provided TSM with a hold rating and a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 25th of April 2025, Susquehanna rated TSM as positive with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April 2025, Barclays again rated TSM as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $231.12. On the downside, the stock will find support from the long-term average at about $213. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been detected, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 2.03%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short-term and long-term moving averages indicated a buy signal 50 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short-term and long-term moving averages indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $193.99 and $186.98. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this support is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Taiwan Semiconductor finds support just below today's level at $193.99. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $186.98 and $179.28. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.87 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.25%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 1.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $231.84. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at $193.99. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $221.94, representing a decrease of 3.67%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor exhibits several positive signals and is within a robust upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a wise choice at the current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of July, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open higher by approximately 29 cents and begin trading at $230.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.